Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to reverse money on the Capitec app. First, open the Capitec app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. At the bottom of your screen, you will see a menu. Tap on Transact. This section gives you access to your payments, debit orders, and transaction history. Next, choose Debit Orders if the money was taken through a debit order. If it was another type of transaction, tap on History to view your recent transactions. Scroll through the list and find the specific transaction you want to reverse. Make sure you select the correct one by checking the date, amount, and recipient details. Once you tap on the transaction, you will see more details about it. Look for the Dispute option. Tap on Dispute to begin the reversal process. The app will ask you to provide a reason for the dispute. Read the options carefully and choose the one that best explains why you want to reverse the money. In some cases, you may need to add extra information. Fill in all required fields clearly and honestly. After completing the information, follow the prompts on your screen to submit the dispute. Review everything before you confirm. Once submitted, the bank will review your request and notify you about the outcome inside the app. Thanks for watching.